Number 32. Which adaptation is shown in the leaves of hydrophytes? So let's have a look at the word hydrophytes. The word hydro means water. Phytes means plants. Okay. So they're plants that live in or on the water. So let's have a look at the options here. A, hairs present on the upper and lower surfaces. No, it's got nothing to do with adaptation on or in plants that live on or in the water. Okay. The reason is that the hairs on the leaves usually prevents the leaves to lose the water vapor surrounding the leaves. So it actually the hair or hairs trap the water vapors around the leaves or surrounding the leaves. But the hydrophytes are not lacking water, right? They got plenty of water, so A is not the right answer. B looks like it's the answer. It contains large air spaces. So for some hydrophytes, they actually live on the surface of the water. In order to live on the water, they have to float. So by increasing the buoyancy, they can float better. And it's the air spaces inside the leaves that provides this buoyancy. So B is the right answer. C, now the stomata are usually present on the upper surface. Okay. The stomata, the holes or pores, are present on the surface, so that they can do gas exchange much better. If the air spaces are at the bottom, they'll be blocked by the water surface. So C is not the answer. D, thick cuticle present. No. The cuticle is waterproof and it conserves the water vapor inside the leaves. So hydrophytes they're not lacking any water, so they don't have to conserve water. The thick cuticle is not needed. They rather have thin cuticles. Okay, it should be thin. So D is not the answer as well. Therefore, B is the right answer for this question. Okay.